Retrofit any size sign with just one product. No surveys needed. No extra trips with big easy sticks. 20 sticks and accessories in a compact 5-foot box. The box includes all mounting and connecting accessories. Remove the old tubes. Figure out the length needed. Cut along the marking and seal the ends of the wires using silicone adhesive. Connect the two sticks together using the inner connector provided. Then connect the module plugs together. Cap the ends with the provided socket adapters. Insert the sticks into the sockets. Connect the wires of the sticks and the power supplies. And just like that, your sign looks brand new. This is how you convert our big easy sticks to different sizes. For a sign shorter than 5 feet, cut at the appropriate marking. Cut the wires and cover the ends with silicone adhesive. Screw the socket adapter on the ends. Connect a power supply and enjoy your new lights. For a sign longer than 5 feet, you will also cut at the marking, cut the wires, and cover them with silicone adhesive. Use the inner connector to join a 5-foot stick with the newly cut stick. Join the module plugs together. Then screw the socket adapters on the end and connect a power supply. And watch your sign light up like new. You can also connect an L bracket for easy mounting. Call for a quote today.